Good morning. It's Vijay here. Today is Monday, 14th of July 2025. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre-Market Commentary. Please note, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Over the weekend, the bears were dancing because last week was a down week, and last 3 days of the week were also down. So the bears seem to be in command across the board. So this morning, for instance, we will probably see the dance continuing, and so I think we need to give them their due because without bears, how can the bulls make money? If everyone is bullish, then the market will top out. So Gift Nifty is saying that it will open 53 points lower. We welcome the opening because then at least the bears can feel confident, which they have not been for the last 3 4 months. They've been beaten black and blue. So market slipped for 2 straight weeks. That's giving more fodder to the bears. IT has been the biggest drag. Especially, I was very disappointed with TCS when they did not give the hikes. If TCS is not able to give hikes, I don't know what other companies will do. FMCG is was the top gaining index surprisingly, probably because it was oversold and also there was some top level change in HUL. So capital market stocks also went up, which is surprising. Mid cap fell in line with benchmarks, while Nifty Bank has relatively underperformed. Nifty mid cap was down 1.6% last week, while Nifty Bank was just down 0.5%. Weak quarter one updates led to fall about 9% in Titan. It was the top Nifty losers. So what happened on Friday? Friday failed to hold the key support levels. Nifty ends below 25,200. So I love this kind of numbers. When it breaks below a particular so-called support, everybody rushes in to either sell their holdings or short sell, and that is the time when markets actually turn around. So I'm eagerly waiting for the first hour to see where it goes. Monday is a day when I give my trades free of cost on my Telegram channel, Market Mirror, and Touchwood. We have been doing very well. You never know what will happen today, but we will continue to be bullish as usual. So Nifty fell 205 points on Friday. Nifty Bank fell equally at 200 points, and the TCS commentary was weak. So therefore TCS fell. HUL management triggered a big HUL management change triggered a big move. FIs sold heavily, 5,100 crores. DIs could not match them, 3,560 crores. So net institutional selling was there on that day, about 1,545 points. So what happened globally? Every market came down, whether it was the US or whether it was Europe, all kinds of problems because of the one and only orange guy, Mr. Trump. Commodities, oil was strong because there seems to be strong demand and inventories are low. So both Brent and WTI went up. Gold went up significantly because silver broke the 37 resistance, $37 resistance, and now I think silver could go much higher. Incidentally, we are buying a silver ETF today for our investment for both short, medium, and long term. Copper flat, zinc, and aluminum both flat. So there is a very interesting news item from Bloomberg, which may, consolidate the PSU banks. They are saying they'll explore merger and raising the FDI cap, which means PSU banks should get benefited on a bearish day like this. I don't know whether it will happen immediately. We hold PSU banks, we hold Canara Bank, we hold Punjab National Bank. So government is looking for building bigger and stronger banks. That is the purpose. So what are the stocks which one can watch today? Titagarh Rail, they got a 99-year lease with West Bengal government. Zydus Life, the wholly owned subsidiary, has inked a definitive deal with another company called Agenus. NCC got a big order. US, the Glen Pharma, which was a star on Friday, it may have a problem today. I think there will be a lot of profit booking because they got a issue. My US FDA has issued a warning letter to the indoor facility. Then the other positive stocks could be Siemens. They won a large order of 773 crores for Nagpur Metro Phase 2. And BML, they're considering a stock split. The BML, incidentally, has been one of those really strong defense stocks. Then the Castrol has won a 4,131 crore dispute against the Maharashtra Sales Tax Department. Who knows, it may go to Supreme Court, but nevertheless, that should rub off positively. Avenue supermarkets did not come up with great results, so we'll have to see how the market reacts. Negative chemical stocks will be BASF cuts the EBITDA forecast. So chemical stocks have been under pressure. They have been oversold, but not all chemical stocks may follow the BASF direction. Tata Motors will be hit by Trump's 30% tariff on EU imports, so that may be also under pressure. So what did our orange man Donald Trump do over the weekend? He imposed a 30% tariff on European Union. European Union is the strongest ally, but 30% there. There are sectoral tariffs there, and then they also have imposed the 30% tariffs on Mexico. Except India, he has meddled with everyone. So today, probably there is a chance he may meddle because he said, I will issue something on Russia, basically on Russian oil, which means India is the largest. We procure our maximum amount from Russia, so we may also get hurt. We don't know that whether he will do, but still. So in the end, I would like to say this is a bearish phase. Of course, it has been a bearish phase. You can see the numbers. Will it go to a bear market? I don't think so. But so therefore, what one should do, simple BTFD, BTFD, and BTFD being calm. So it's better to chill, and it's normal to take the market to take a dip every once in a while. So I don't say anything to worry. As I said, we will buy silver ETF today and just look at some other stocks if they're interesting, because we've got some money today to put it into the market and we will deploy it almost immediately. So whatever you do today, hope it is successful. Thank you for joining me.